Hey everybody, I want to show you something really cool and new that we're offering. So if you go to our website, you'll see some information on some new programs, things that we're doing outdoors this spring and summer. So when you come to the homepage, you can click on this pretty picture here that says Rediscover the Universe, or you can go up here to this purple section, this little purple button that says Shop. So by clicking on either of these, it's going to take you to information about our new guided walking tours, our seated presentations, and our docent activities. You can see how much tickets for these programs cost. And by clicking on the program, you can see the dates and times that they are available. So right now we're looking at Thursdays, Fridays, Saturdays, Sundays, and Mondays this spring and summer. If you don't want to buy a ticket for one of these programs, you can also still do a free self-guided walking tour. So again, on our website, you can find this great map that you can download as a PDF and print at home. We'll also have some free copies available at the Science Center. And it tells you all about the different instruments and historic sites that we have on campus. And there's also a map of our trails. So we're very excited about these activities and we hope to see you soon. If you have any questions, feel free to send us a message or shoot us an email.